If you're looking for a compact espresso machine with a frothing wand that does everything you need without taking up half your counter space, this is the one. I was sent a review. I absolutely love it. With easy to use LED display, a frothing wand, a removable 39-ounce water tank, and removable base for easy cleaning and using a taller cup. Let me show you a closer look, including how to use it to make super fun latte art. It comes with 2 steel filters, a 1 cup and 2 cup. This bit, of course, a scoop and tamper. This, guys, will warm up your cups if you want with the visual guide. So it's like so easy. You can't mess it up. Honestly. It has a removable 39-ounce water tank. Don't go past the max line. Pop it in. I will go over this in a bit, but if you're not doing foam or steam, make sure this is off. You can remove these down here for cleaning and also in case you have a taller cup, but I'm gonna be keeping them on for now. First, you gotta select 1 cup or 2 cups. This little bit here is how it gets locked in. So you just line it up with that hole and now you're locked in. So when you're cleaning this out, you can really slam it to get all the grinds out. You get out your espresso. You can use this to scoop it. Dump it in here, stamp it down. Here you can see unlocked and locked. So this is the angle at which you will connect it and then you pivot it over here to lock it in place. Put our little cup down here. You select what you want to do. The water is already heated and you can see the temperature right here. Instruction booklet is really helpful in learning how to use it. Whether you're making hot water or espresso, frothing your milk for cappuccino, it goes over every single detail. Even how to clean it if you have hard water. If you want to do hot water, that's going to come from the steam wand, which you pull out. You'll select hot water, and then when you turn this on, hot water will come out of here. But we are doing espresso. We are going to do espresso ×2. Features a high pressure 20 bar Italian pump, PID intelligent temperature control, overheating and overpressure protection, and a 1350 watt rapid heating system, so it's ready in under 45 seconds. So quick and easy. And now we have our cup of espresso or our base for latte or cappuccino, macchiato, americano, etc., etc. So now we will have some fun with the wand. Pull that out. We're going to turn on steam. These flash while they're warming up and then it's a steady on when it's warmed up. You're gonna spin this to over here, frothing. It does not come with a frothing cup, so just provide your own and make sure that you have a cup that is twice as big as the amount of milk that you're frothing because it's going to double in size. I am definitely not very good at this. I tend to make a big mess, but this thing is so easy to clean up. Don't even worry about it. As you get better, you'll get less messy and you'll eventually be able to do some amazing latte art. This thing is so fun to play around with and it's so compact. Now you've got your hot milk, your frothed milk, whatever you've made. Then you can pour it in to make your latte, cappuccino, whatever you're gonna make. The higher fat milk, the easier it's gonna be to get that crema for your design at the end, which I'm still struggling to make pretty designs, but it's so fun to try. Look at my little heart. So fun. A quick wipe to clean it up real quick. And don't forget, this gets really nice and warm. Not burning hot, but hot. So you can put things up here to warm them. When you're done, you're just gonna remove this. And remember, that's locked in. So it's really easy to just dump it out. And then look how nice and clean that is. No paper filter waste. And you barely have to even clean this. Like, oh my gosh. But this does twist out. There we go. You can remove it, wash it, throw in the dishwasher or whatever. I absolutely love it and I know you will too.